Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create unlimited AI videos for free and with no watermarks. So AI video generators are getting better every year, but most free versions leave a watermark or limit your export. Don't worry, today I'll give you the exact method how to bypass those limits and still stay legal. So there are several AI video tools that offer free no watermark options. For example, you can try Pika Labs for text to video, Runway Gen 2 for creative video clips, or CapCut AI video generator like I do in here, the dreamina.capcut.com. And each of these has a free tier where you can export without watermark. So you can just go to the tools website or app, and then you can sign up with a Google account or email. For this one, you can also use your CapCut account, and the free plan usually gives you a certain amount of credits each month to make videos. Like I do here, I have 2 to 5 credits. And then here, you can just type your prompt. For example, in here, you can just click on the AI video option first. Or you can also use this drop down, and then you can enter your prompt. So for example, I'm going to try a futuristic city with flying cars, cinematic style. Okay, you can adjust the ratio and also the durations. Let's just generate and just wait until the result came out. You can see it's still queuing. You can just wait. The duration is in queue and will take about 1 second. Let's just wait. Okay, so here is the result. As you guys can see here, I have my AI videos now, and as you guys can see, there is no watermark attached on the video. Now you can just tap on this to download the video. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.